welcome to another video. I am Tori, and on this channel I am documenting my debt-free journey where I'm using the cash envelope method to budget my income while I give you guys some DIY videos that's related to budget. So that being said, today I will be budgeting my September 30th paycheck. So let's get started. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Yay. Okay, so I have this book where I already write down the categories that I'm stuffing for this paycheck and the amount that I'll be stuffing. So September, this is my magic paycheck, and that will be mainly dedicated to my debt. And we are working with $872.15. So I'll use this highlighter to cross off the categories as I stuff them. So let's leave that there. And oh yeah, I didn't even organize my money, but let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 650, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70. And here's $2.15. So we'll just put that there. And yeah, let's get stuffing. So we won't be stuffing that. We won't be stuffing this. Savings, we'll be adding $70 to our savings. And okay, so plus 70, that makes us have $2,000. So we'll add 20, 40, 50, 60, $70 to our savings. And this should equal to $1,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1,000. So being that we have $1,000, we're gonna take this to the bank. So I'll put this here and swap it out for another placeholder. So now we have 2,000 in the bank under our savings category, and we'll place those there. Okay, and now we're gonna be moving to groceries. Groceries will get $200. I did not subtract that, but normally whenever I take money out, I'll subtract the amount that I take out and then balance it off. So we're gonna add $200 to grocery, only because I've noticed the last time I went to the grocery store, what I'm budgeting is not working out for us. So yeah, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then we'll put, so 200. And then we're gonna be adding, we can just go all the way to our credit card. We're gonna be adding $600 to our credit card. we're gonna pay this today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. Yes. And then that's it for our stuffing. And we're gonna add $2.15 to our keep the change jar. So recently I started adding the change, anything under $5, because with our currency in Canada, anything under $5 is in coins. So this is like my coin jar, and I'll put the money there. So I'll be using my, so today's the 30th of the night. So we're adding $2.15. So we should have $8.15 in our jar. And that pretty much sums up our video. And if you're interested in how I created this tracker, I'm gonna add the link to the video or the tutorial. And then if you're interested in how I created my envelopes, because I made them myself, I also have a tutorial on that. So you can go ahead, check the link in my description. The envelopes look just like these. So yeah. And if you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for watching my video and supporting me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.